is awesome, that hope she gon' compliment with like a boss, I look like a star.
Been tested like Austin in LA, we golfing, can't take no more losses and we steady count. I put them in office and
this inappropriate sequence I probably shouldn't be showing on my YouTube channel is an advertisement for Nelk's Full Send merch drop. In all honesty, I had never really seen many of their videos prior to filming this piece of content, but recently since Nelk started absolutely popping off on YouTube, so many of you guys have messaged me letting me know that there is a business opportunity in reselling their clothing brand. Because Nelk makes pretty much no money whatsoever from YouTube, they resort to selling merchandise such as hoodies, hats, sweatpants, or even thongs with the word full send on them to support themselves. Ever since this brand started, it has grown massively in popularity, and now whenever they release new clothing, over 100,000 people are waiting on the site, with some items selling out in literally seconds. Who would have thought a YouTuber's merch would ever start selling like it was supreme? To capitalize on the massive hype and popularity of this Full Send brand, in this video I am going to be buying the most limited and high demand items from their merch drop tonight, and hopefully I can resell everything I bought for a massive profit. Getting right into things, the first step to making fat stacks reselling YouTubers merchandise is to pick the most in-demand and hypebeast items they are dropping to purchase for resale. To figure this all out, I am going to have to do some major research. It's been about 45 minutes, and since we last spoke, I have been going hard doing some research on the best items to buy for resale from the Full Send merch drop. After doing some major research, I came to a conclusion that the items I am going to go ahead and purchase include the Full Send X UFC shirt in the white and red colorway, the Full Send box logo shirt in the white colorway, and finally a gray Full Send X UFC championship hoodie, with all of the merchandise I am going to purchase being in size medium. The reason I am targeting all of the merch from the Full Send X UFC collab is because it's going to be a super limited drop that will never be available again in future fullsend.com website drops. Also, the UFC is also a very major brand and a lot of people rock their merch as it is, so combining the UFC brand with Full Send will absolutely skyrocket demand for merchandise. One of the Nelk members himself said in a recent video that the Full Send X UFC collab will likely be reselling on StockX.
Probably the biggest collab we've ever landed with Full Send X UFC. This is huge, boys. We have hoodies on the website as well. Not gonna lie, these are probably gonna be on StockX. They're gonna sell super quick.
Of course, guys, this man is biased, but who knows, he might be right, and I also have a very strong tingly feeling that if we are able to cop that Full Send X UFC collab merch, we will be in the money for this challenge. The Full Send merch drop isn't until 7:30 p.m. Central Time tonight, so as soon as the clock strikes 7:30, I will be sure to let you guys know. Alright guys, it is currently 7:21 p.m. I'm here with two of my friends to help me cop as much merch as possible from the Full Send merch drop. And as you guys can see, the drop is going live in 8 minutes and 13 seconds. So as soon as the merch drops, we're going to try and cop it. I'm going to be going on my phone. They're going on the computers, and hopefully we cop a ton of merch. And just like that, 8 minutes later, we all refreshed our screens and the Full Send merch drop was officially live. At the time we were on the site, there were over 300,000 other people waiting, but despite this heavy competition, we were able to secure every single one of the products we wanted, and the total cost for all of this came out to $175.11, and luckily every single one of the items we bought had at least some resale value. Starting things off, the Full Send X UFC box logo t-shirt came out to a total cost of $45.14 after all expenses, and it is currently selling on eBay for anywhere between $65 and $100, with products actually selling more in that $65 to $70 price range. In all honesty, I was hoping the resale value would be a little bit higher for this t-shirt, but nonetheless, if I'm able to get $70 for it, I will still make a fat $10 profit after all expenses. The Full Send X UFC Championship hoodie came out to a massive total cost of $84.83 after all expenses, but luckily its eBay sold listings market is actually super good since the product sold out relatively fast. It is currently selling on eBay for anywhere between $115 all the way up to $170. So if we average that out and estimate we get about $130 for the hoodie, we will earn a profit of $25 after all expenses. The third and final item I ended up grabbing from the merch drop was the Full Send X UFC Championship t-shirt for a grand total of $45.14. The market for this shirt isn't as good as I hoped it would be on eBay, with only 2 products being sold so far, but on the bright side, both of the shirts that have sold so far sold for $90 plus, and if I am able to get that, we will secure about a $30 profit. The product I really wish I tried to cop from the Full Send merch drop was these basketball jerseys right here. They ended up selling out in literally seconds, so for that reason, the market on eBay is absolutely insane, with so many selling for like $200 or at least $150, which is absolutely crazy. Although we definitely missed out on that banger business opportunity, it's totally fine because we still got some pretty good items from the Full Send merch drop, and if we get those all listed on eBay ASAP, we will be bound to make fat stacks on this challenge. The only issue is eBay absolutely hates me and banned my accounts, so I'm going to need some help. Alright guys, so I'm about to FaceTime my buddy Justin to ask if I can use his eBay account to resell our Full Send merch. Hopefully he answers. I really hope he does, because that would be awesome. What's up, bro? Happy you answered. So basically, I'm filming this YouTube video where I'm trying to resell these YouTubers merch for a profit, but the only thing is I'm actually banned on eBay, so I was wondering if I could maybe use your account to sell the items.
Come on, dude, you're not gonna get me banned, are you?
No, I promise. I won't do anything shady this time.
Absolutely, man. As long as you cut me in on the profits, we should be good.
All right, let's do 4%.
Okay, 4% works.
Okay, sounds good. 4%. I'll give you that. With Justin from Forever Self-Employed's approval to use his eBay account for only 4% of the profits, I began hustling hard and getting that money by listing all 3 of our Full Send products on eBay. After 45 minutes of hard work, everything was officially done. As you guys can see, each of the products I got from the Full Send drop are officially listed on eBay, and the funny thing is myself and the other people selling these Full Send merch products from the November drop don't even physically have the merch yet, so we're literally going to wait for the merch to come in to ship it out to the buyer, and to prove that I actually have the merch in hand, I have to show this order confirmation, but of course I blur out the price I paid because I'm selling it for a massive profit. Although this may seem quite weird to do for all of you guys watching, it's actually very normal to do in the game of reselling, especially when you're dealing with brands like Supreme. All you have to do is let the buyer on eBay know in the description that their product is going to take 2 to 3 weeks to actually get shipped out, and as long as they're okay with that, you'll be in the money. With that being said, if all of our Nelk merch ends up selling on eBay for the buy it now prices I have listed, we will be set to make about $80 in profit, which is absolutely insane, and as soon as our first product ends up selling, I will be sure to let you guys know. It has now been several hours since we last spoke, and literally as I was laying in bed about to go to sleep, I checked eBay and saw we got a sale for the Full Send X UFC Championship hoodie for a total cost of $129.99 plus free shipping. That means after everything, we are looking at a profit of about $23.26, which is not bad whatsoever. On that very happy note, I think it is time to call it a night, go to sleep, and if any more sales come in, I will be sure to let you guys know. Today is December 4th, and well guys, I am happy to say I have officially sold out of all of our Full Send merch on eBay, and to achieve this, it took a lot more work than I expected. Starting things off 72 hours after being listed on eBay, I ended up selling the Full Send X UFC box logo t-shirt for $69.99. Let's go, guys. I was literally in the middle of editing this video, and then I saw on eBay that we just got another sale for $69.99 for our box logo t-shirt. Super awesome. We only have one item left to sell, and that is our Full Send X UFC t-shirt listed at $89.99. This one is going to be difficult to sell since the market on eBay isn't great, so I think I'm actually going to drop the price by $10, and hopefully it sells here soon. 4 days after dropping the price on that last UFC t-shirt, it ended up selling on eBay just this morning for a fat $79.99. And after accounting for that last t-shirt sale, our total gross profit for this challenge comes out to $104.86. But of course, from that, there are some expenses associated, such as seller's fees from eBay, PayPal, and my friend Justin, and also shipping costs of about $15. After accounting for everything I mentioned right there, our total profit for this challenge comes out to $48.87, which is absolutely not bad for simply buying and reselling YouTubers merch.